So guys, I am a fan of Princess Chiamaka. I believe that a lot of us know her very well because YouTube always recommend her video, and she's doing very well on this YouTube street. Now, one thing I love about her is the fact that she's consistent, and another thing is that she is very open. Yeah, she's very open when it comes to educating people and letting people know that YouTube is worth it. She's open. Trust me, some people, if they are making money from this particular thing, they will not want to tell it to another person because they don't want you to know their secret of how they are making money. Yes, like for somebody like me, anybody that cares to listen, I will tell you, go and start a YouTube channel. You might be laboring now, you might be like spending your money on buying data, doing all the necessary things that you need to do for you to be able to monetize, and it will look overwhelming for you, but at the end of the day, it is worth it. So just yesterday, Princess Chiamaka shared how much she has made on YouTube because she got monetized December 2024. December to this particular time now is 3 months. So 3 months on YouTube, she has been able to make $2,242 on YouTube. If you calculate that in naira, that is like 3 point something million naira on YouTube. Oh yeah, tell me the work you will work in Nigeria that in 3 months you will make 1 million naira. Just tell me the kind of work. I know that there are jobs so that you will do that. Okay, maybe a month you will make like so a month your salary a month will be like 300,000 naira. I know there are work like that, but the truth is that before you see any job that will pay you like that, like in 3 months you will make 3 point something million naira in this our Niger, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be funny. It's not going to be easy. I don't want to say it's not going to be possible. It's possible, but it's rare. It's rare. You get. So just imagine somebody is out there making this kind of money. And if you listen to our story of how everything started, you will not give up. Oh. You will not give up. That's why I keep telling people, do not give up on your channel. For those that are trying to monetize, you have been posting and posting and posting. Continue posting. For those that are already monetized and you are not making money, like you are not making, in fact, you just do video and the revenue is like $1, $2, and you are like, when am I going to make these thousands of dollars? Continue posting. Yes, Rome was not built in a day. You are not going to make all this money at once. And another thing I also want you to know is that everybody's destiny is different. Yes, when your time comes, you can even make more than that. That is the truth. When it comes to YouTube, you hardly see two people on YouTube that will make the same money every month. It's not like that. Everybody just have their own revenue they receive on YouTube. Everybody is different for everybody. So all you need to do is to be consistent. Try posting every day. Try posting quality content, valuable content that in years to come, people are still watching it. They are still learning. They are still gaining value from that video. So do not give up. Oh. Continue posting. YouTube is not easy. YouTube is not easy. Yes, I know, but continue posting. So at the end of the day, you will still be the one encouraging other people, because trust me, years to come, people will still be joining YouTube. Yes, people are joining YouTube every day. So continue posting. Just continue putting in your best. A lot of YouTubers like that, they are out there encouraging people. It was not like before when people were making money on YouTube and they were not saying anything about it. They would just keep quiet. But now, everybody is out now. Say how much YouTube paid me. This is how much YouTube. Yes, and I like it. Before I used to think that YouTube does not pay. Oh, I just felt like okay, YouTube is for those that wants to share their knowledge. Let's say you are a fashion designer, you are a barber, hairstylist, and the rest. You just want to share your knowledge to people. Then you do your video and you post. That was what I thought, because as at that time years ago, I was coming to YouTube to watch videos on sewing, how to cut some particular styles and the rest. I never knew that when you watch these people's video, in turn they are able to make money, revenue. You get. It was of recent that people are now saying that YouTube pays, or YouTube pays, and my husband also made me know more about YouTube revenue, that oh, YouTube is a platform where you can make money, plus the fact that people are not coming out to talk about YouTube and payment and the rest. I never knew. I'm serious. So, and I believe that there are still people out there that are not aware. They are not aware. So please, oh, this is an opportunity. for you. Use it wisely. You know that there's something you know how to do very well. You are good at it. Please come on YouTube. Come on YouTube. Embrace it. Put in your best. Put in the work. And you are going to enjoy it. Trust me, you are not going to regret it. You are going to enjoy it. Anytime you feel like giving up, always look at me. Yeah, look at me. Anytime you feel like giving up, look at Vibe Sunya. Anytime you feel like giving up, look at Princess Chiamaka. Anytime you feel like giving up, look at Bolo of Lagos. Do you know why I call these people? It's because these people are consistent. Yes, I am consistent. We are always showing up, no matter the ups and downs. We are still showing up. Call these people. So please, try your best. Be very, very active on YouTube. You are going to enjoy it in the long run. So I will end this video here for now. And if you have any question to ask, please drop on the comment section, like this video and share. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.